Mikey, what are you doing with Uncle? Can you sit up, please? You don't want to be back there.
Yeah, you'll be back there. There we go.
Hello? Hello? Hey, what is Uncle Frankie teaching you now? Up, Frankie.
Up, Frankie.
Do you want look at that here? Do you want to do our new word?
Yeah.
Let's do rascally rabbit. And what was the other word Uncle taught you?
Do the word.
I don't know. I can't remember. You teach him so much.
I didn't breathe that. Oh, squirrel to the nuts.
Mikey, who does your hair? Hey,
Ow. 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 Squirrel to the nuts.
Mikey.
Rascally rabbit, dag nabbit. Say, dag nabbit.
Yeah. Nice, Uncle.
Dag nabbit.